I gotta ring the bell here. It's time for Des and Jeff Watch Stuff. I know you've been waiting for a new installment. It's been a while because we were in between seasons, but right now we are back. Here we go. And Wine Hops and Roast Ups has season 13 coming very soon, if not already. And yeah, we're gonna talk about pop music.
Talk about.
No, and you hear our boy dog growling in the background because
There's a
somebody is in the backyard or in the woods or an animal or whatever, a deer maybe.
cat.
Probably a cat, yeah. I hate cats.
He doesn't hate cats. He just wants to go talk to them.
And bite them.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, my boy doesn't bite things.
We're going to talk about a show I watched on Apple TV. And it was originally called Sinking Springs. Like Sinking Springs, Pennsylvania.
Right.
It was shot down in the Philadelphia area and that area around there, which is kind of cool. They changed the name to Drug Thief. And the show, I'll say, is okay. That's it.
Just okay.
It's okay. It starts off kind of slow, and you actually tapped out like earlier. I watched the whole thing. You tapped out earlier, and it starts off. The first episode's pretty slow, but does set everything up. It's a really neat premise. Two guys that are like con men, kind of like drug dealers, but not. They dress up as DEA agents. Find out where the drug dens are in Philadelphia and rob them basically.
Yeah.
Dress as DEA agents. So that's like, oh man, that's a great premise, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then of course one of the heists go wrong. They end up shooting someone who was actually a DEA agent. But they steal.
Sounds bad.
Yeah. And then they steal the money and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. They go up to Lancaster actually. And they steal the money. And it's some big drug lord's money, so they're chasing them down and stuff. And that's kind of like the first two episodes. After that, it kind of meanders around. There's some good performances, though, I'll say that. The Star Trek lady, Kate something or other, she plays this old, the mom of the one guy. I don't remember her name. The Star Trek fans are probably going to yell at me. Kate something. She was the old lady that ran the kitchen in Orange is the New Black. Yeah, she's great. She's a great actress. Kate Mulgrew or something like that.
The lady that plays Red?
Yes,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's in it.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
Okay.
She plays this like grumpy old woman, the mother of one of the characters. So there are some good things about the show. But as the plot kind of thickens and it gets a little bit more complex, it's almost like, I've seen this before. And if it came out 10 years ago or even 15 years ago, it would be like top tier TV. Top notch, to quote someone that we keep on quoting. Yeah, she loves it.
You are top notch, baby.
I am. I'm a joker that's top notch. Anyway, what I did notice about the show is the first episode looks completely different than the rest of the show.
Oh.
The color grading is different. I know it's a different director, I think, for the rest of the show than it was in the first episode, which sort of a pilot. I believe Ridley Scott had something to do with it, and he's one of my favorite directors. So I was really excited for like a dark, gritty crime drama, which it is, but I know it didn't hook you. So
no, I watched that first one, and it seemed interesting, but not enough for me to watch any more of it. Like it was.
Yeah, I believe you tapped out after the second episode. And
it just seemed like.
Been there, done that.
Yeah,
a lot of it. Yeah, a lot of it was stuff. Was that? It's a decent watch, but it reminds me of The Waterfront, which was another movie. I could do a whole thing on that, but that was similar. We didn't even do an episode on that because The Waterfront was so.
Oh, is that? I watched one episode of that too.
Yeah.
Didn't we? That's the one I thought was kind of like Ozark.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I was like Breaking Bad and Ozark together, but nowhere near as good.
Yeah.
So this is like along the same lines as far as quality, I'll say. It's okay.
Yeah.
I got through it. I'm not recommending it. It's 5 for me.
Oof.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it just kind of, and I can't put my finger on why. It just didn't interest me. Like halfway through, I'm like, this is becoming a chore. So
it didn't interest me. I don't even give it a 5. I give it a Z.
A Z? Asleep. Can't give it you got to give it a number at least.
Less than 0. It's a snoozer.
Less than 0. That's a good movie. Maybe we should rewatch that. Have you watched that? That's a pretty dark movie.
Yeah.
I know John Waco likes that movie. He used to quote it all the time. All right, that's all I got for this show, unfortunately. And you know what? No one's watching it. It's on Apple TV. Who watches Apple TV? I have no idea. I don't know.
I don't know.
I got it to watch Severance, and I forgot to cancel Apple TV. And so now it's like, oh, I guess I'll try something else. And yeah. All right.
Yeah. Okay then.
That's it. Doesn't Jeff watch stuff?